चलो स्टार्ट करिए चैप्टर नंबर 4। लेट्स स्टार्ट चैप्टर नंबर 4। जनार्दनस्य पश्चिमः संदेशः। फर्स्ट इंट्रोडक्शन। In Sanskrit literary field, great poet Bhas is well reputed for writing plays or drama. He has written 13 plays which are known as Bhas Natak Chakram. Great poet Bhas written 13 dramas or plays. It is known as Bhas Natak Chakram. The excerpt presented here is taken from his one act play Dut Ghatotkacham, which is one of these 13 dramas. The theme of the excerpt is based on Mahabharata. Battle of Mahabharata is going on in Kurukshetra, and today Abhimanyu, son of Arjun, is unjustly killed in it. Hence, Arjun is very sad and has announced to kill them who had killed Abhimanyu. Arjun has announced that who killed Abhimanyu unjustly in Chakravyuh. I will kill all of them. So surely he is very definite to fight against all the Kauravas and kill all of them. In this tragic situation, Sri Krishna thinks to try once again to prevent this war anyway, by putting forward the tragic incident of Abhimanyu's killing and sorrowful situation of Pandavas, thereby in front of Dhritarashtra and Duryodhana. Sri Krishna plans to convince Dhritarashtra. This tragic situation of Arjun, this is the plan of Lord Krishna to put again in front of Dhritarashtra and Duryodhana, both of them. But Dhritarashtra is very cool and calm mind person, and he is king also. So if he is agreed to stop the war, then war should prevent. Okay, so this chapter starts from the point that is treaty, peace. All these points are main for this chapter. Now he select Ghatotkach as his envoy. Envoy means messenger. Dutaha. So this is Dut Ghatotkacham. Dut means messenger who takes message to one place to another, to one king to another, and send through him a message of treaty. Treaty means peace. But engrossed in the madness of war, Duryodhana and his companion Shakuni and others are not ready to listen the message of treaty. At last, Ghatotkach makes them listen to the final message of Lord Krishna. The interesting dialogues of Ghatotkach as an envoy with Duryodhana and Shakuni produce dramatic pleasure. Selecting Ghatotkach, a son of Damanis, name Hidimba. Name is Hidimba. Hidimba is wife of Bhim, but Hidimba is not Kshatriya. She is Damanis. So one way, father is Kshatriya, Bhim, and mother is Damanis. So child got some genetic physique like Daman, but bravery like Kshatriya. Okay, and after all we can say our original kul means vansh. Okay, it is belong to our father only. Our race, caste, all things belong to our father, not to mother. So generally Ghatotkach is Kshatriya only. Okay, but son of Damanis as a character, Bhas has successfully tried to create the impression of demonic tendency of Duryodhana on mind of audience. One hand, Ghatotkach, son of Damanis, behaves like You can see he is praying, okay, with two hands. Like human, and Duryodhan, son of human, behaves like demon. Bhas, with his skillful dramatic art, has created beautiful contradiction here. At the end, the misbehavior of Duryodhan becomes the cause of destruction of whole Kuru race. The whole of his race, the fact one who doesn't accept the proposal of compromise or solution ruins himself and his family is shown through this play. Now, first we start lot of meanings. Glossary. Ghatotkacha, son of Bhim and Hidimba. Pitamaha, grandfather, father's father. Chakrayudaha, Lord Krishna, but full name is one who will discuss as weapon, who use chakra as weapon. Janardhan, Lord Krishna, but full meaning is destroyer of weak person. Krurtaraha, very cruel. Nishacharaha, demon. Dutghatakaha, destroyer, killer of envoy. Suryanshuhu, son of ray of sun or sun ray. Krutantaha, Yamraj. Dutaha, envoy or messenger who bring the messages. Vasundhara, earth. Prakrutihi, nature. Avastha, state or plight, position. Swargam, heaven. Jatugruham, a house made up from wax. Now pronoun Atra Bhavan, your majesty. Me, my. Bhavantam, to you. Mam, to me. Bhavataha, your. Iyam, this. Esha, this. Bhavantaha, you all. Sarvam, everything. Now adjective. Paschimaha Sandeshaha, final message. Asanasthen bhavata Dhritarashtrain, by you Dhritarashtra. Be seated on the throne. Sihasan, it is called throne. You see in Bahubali. Okay, Sihasan. Okay. Kurukul Pradip Yadukul Praval Abhimanyu. Light of Kuru race, shone or sprout of Yadu race or Yadu dynasty. Idrasi Avastha, such condition. Putra Shok Samuddhitaha Agnihi, rising from the grief of the sun, fire. Pranamayam Havihi, full of life, giving in oblation. Raudraha Raksaso Ugra Swabhavaha Vayam, terrible possessing or fierce nature like demons, danger nature like demons. Samahata, all together. Suktan Bhratrun, to brothers who were sleeping. Now adverb. Ae, oh. Paschat, thereafter. Khalu, indeed. Ha, alas. Punaha, again. Tataha, then. Idanim, at present. Iti, like this. Yadi, if. Bhoho, oh. Now compounds. Anarya Shatasya. A word starts with a, and if the meaning is negative, it becomes nan tatpurush, not naz. Don't call it naz, it is none. Okay? Anarya Satasya. 100 ignoble means negative word. 100 ignoble son. Ardhokte, speaking of half. Sashti Tatpurush. Yudhishthiradayaha, Yudhishthir and all other. Yudhishthir and all other indicates third person Pandavas. Indicate third person Pandavas. Then Chakrayudaha. Chakrayudh means who will weapon chakra, or whose weapon is chakra, whom. These all are indicate Bahuvrihi, third person, but name of Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna is third person. You are not Krishna, I am not. Dhritarashtraha, who hold the country. It means king. Okay, Dhritarashtra means who have or holding or hold the country, starting with who. So it is Bahuvrihi. Then Kurukul Pradip, lamp of Kuru dynasty of Sashti Tatpurush. Yadukul Praval, sprout of Yadu dynasty of Sashti Tatpurush. Ekaputra Vinashat, when word starts with a single digit, then it becomes Karmadharai. Surely it is Karmadharai. Okay, word later like 1, 2, 3, ek, dvi, 3. So it becomes Trividhani, 3 types. So 3 is adjective for Vidhani. 3 is adjective. Ekaputra Vinashat, killing of one son. Okay, killing of one son, generally of. So it is indicate Sashti Tatpurush also. Now Atma Baladhanam. Atma Baladhanam. Summon up all the strength of heart of Sashti Tatpurush. Putra Shok Samuddhitaha. Grief produced by death of son. Produced by, with, without. These all letters used in Tritiya Tatpurush. Sarva Kshatra Vadaha. Killing of all Kshatriya of Sashti Tatpurush. Raksaso Ugra Swabhavaha. More fierce nature, whose nature is more fierce than demon. Whose nature is more fierce than demons. Whose start with WH, it becomes Bahuvrihi. Jatugruhe, house of wax of Sashti Tatpurush. Yuddhartham, by, for, by Tritiya Tatpurush. Dut Ghatakaha, killer of envoy of Sashti Tatpurush. Madvachan Avaganta Bhava, listen to my word, my, mine, or. These all words are used in Sashti Tatpurush. Okay, it is like apostrophe S. It is like apostrophe S. Jatyo Updesh Eva, message of Updesh means message or moral of life. Jatya means high dynasty, or Jatya means born or life. Okay, so meaning is Jatyo Updesh means advice of life. Of means Sashti Tatpurush. Suryanshu Bihi, ray of sun. Sashti Tatpurush. Now participles. Pravishya, entering. Upashrutya, approaching, to going near. Utthaya, standing up. Parityajya, living. Drashtum, to see, foreseeing. Now roots. Upavishati, to sit. Dahati, to burn. Sprushati, to touch. Praharati, to strike. Vyaharati, to say. Now meanings, extra meanings. Anarya, these meanings are useful for translation only. Okay, in board examination there is no meaning in English. They ask synonym word in Sanskrit only. Yes. Okay. Anarya Satasya of 100 ignoble sons. Utpadayita, producer, generator, and here it is meaning my father. Abhivadaye, I bow down. Gatotka iti ardokte, when he uttered half name of Gatotka. Ayam akramaha, this is not proper order. Ehi putra, kam san kam. Aho kalyana khaluatra bhavan. Oh, your majesty is indeed noble. Prasutim, to producer. Ah has said. Shruyatam, listen. Asanasthena, seated on throne. Shrotavyaha, should listen. Havats Abhimanyu, O son Abhimanyu. Abhigatah asi, you have gone. Ekaputra vinashat, by ruining or killing of one son. Kshipram, quickly. Kshipram, quickly. Then Atma Baladhanam. Atma Baladhanam, summon up all the strength. Summon up all the strength. Summon up means pack up or pull up all the strengths of your heart. Okay. Vakya matren, by mere words. Sarva kshatra vadaha, killing of all kshatriyas. Bana yogyam, befitting archery. Prakrutim gataha, display his original nature. Shantam papam, no, how it is possible, or don't say like this. Pragashyasi, you are insulting me. Ma tavat boho, it cannot be like that. Prahardvam, you all together or strike. Marshyatu bhavan, you please forgive, pardon. Madvachana avaganta bhava, understand my words. Kuru svajan vyapeksham, you fulfill the expectations of your relatives or kinsmen. Kankchitam manasi, whatever desire in mind. Sarvam iha anutishta, enjoy all here. Jatyopdesh eva, as it is, preaching of life. Jatya, noble family. Pandava Rupdhari, in the gaze of Pandava, Arjun. Upaishyati, will approach. Vaha, to you, for you. Now Sandhi. Yudhishthira dayascha, Yudhishthira dayaha plus cha. Guravo bhavantam, Guravaha plus bhavantam. Gatot kacho aham, this is IMP. Gatot kachaha plus aham. So take down. Shrotavyo janardanasya, Shrotavyaha plus janardanasya. Swargam abhigato asi, Swargam plus abhigataha plus asi. Punar bhavato bhavishyati, Punaha plus bhavataha plus bhavishyati. Putra shok samudhitor agnirna, Putra shok samudhitaha plus agnihi plus na. Haviriti, most IMP. Havihi plus iti. Shakuniresh vyaharati, Shakunihi plus eshaha plus vyaharati. Rakshasebhyo api, Rakshasebhyaha plus api. Bhavantaha eva, प्राप्त भवन्तः प्लस एव, प्राप्तो न प्राप्तः प्लस न, दूत इति दूतः प्लस इति, दूतो अहम IMP, दूतः प्लस अहम, जात्यो उपदेश इव, जात्यो उपदेशः प्लस इव. Okay, now first we learn the story. Okay, story is that of Mahabharata. Ghatotkacha, when Ghatotkacha become an envoy by words of Lord Krishna, and he went to court of Dhritarashtra. When he entered, he says, "Oh, your majesty is here, who is the producer of 100 ignoble sons." He approached to him and says, "Oh grandfather, I Ghatotkacha." No, this is wrong thing. First, Yudhishthir and all Pandavas bow down to you. Always elders bow down first and then younger. So in this case, he says, no, this is not proper order. First Yudhishthir and all Pandavas bow down to you. Then after, I am Ghatotkacha, bow down to you. Oh grandson, welcome. Oh, how noble you are. How noble you are. You are producer of all type of goodness. So, Lord Shri Krishna have conveyed a message. Lord Shri Krishna has conveyed a message of treaty. Lord Krishna standing up from his throne. Then he says, no. You should be seated on the throne only. And then, sorry. Listen, grandfather. Oh my son Abhimanyu, oh my son light of Kuru dynasty, oh my son a sprout of Yadu dynasty, you are going in heaven by living your mother, your maternal uncle Lord Krishna, and also me. Arjun is crying for his son. So Lord Krishna says that if after death of one son, this type of condition of Arjun, that what about you? So please summon up all the strength in your heart. And Shakuni says, oh, by only the more words you are speaking, more words, then more words you can win all the earth. And by more and more words or sentences, you can win or kill all these Kshatriyas. No, Kshatriyas only kill in battlefield. Then Ghatotkacha says, this is Shakuni Vyaharati. So please give up the dice and be befitted with archery. Then Duryodhan also become angry because this is insult of his maternal uncle Shakuni. So he become angry. Oh, you are going on your original nature because you are a son of Damonis. You think that we have also fierce nature than your demons. Oh, don't like that. You are more cruel than the demons, because demons never burns their brothers who were asleep in house of wax, and never touch their brother's wife like you, like Draupadi. So Duryodhan says, you are coming here only as an envoy. So please keep your message back and tell, we are not killer of an envoy. Oh, you are insulting me by saying envoy? So I am not envoy. You all together attack to me. At this point, Dhritarashtra says, "Oh grandson, please forgive them. Listen to my words. Oh grandfather, I'm sorry. Okay, if my grandfather say me, and boy, then I am. So listen, all of you, all of the king, please listen this. This is the final message of Lord Krishna. Follow your religion process and fulfill all the expectations of your family members. Then, which is desired in your heart or mind, please fulfill all this year, because tomorrow with the ray of sun, Yamraj, Kritant, Yamraj means god of death, will come upon you in the form of Arjun. So please fulfill your all wishes. This is the chapter. This is the dialogue chapter. Okay, chapter number 4. So